and replace it with a new one, and I'm in the process of reconstructing the barbed wire fence by the bridge to perfection. And I'll be tightening it up at the other end. And hopefully...
So here we are at the gate, front gate area. Here's the bridge, and you can see a bunch of debris in the rafters up there. So that's about 8 feet high.
From the shore, from where you're standing, how deep is it from the bridge? 12?
Good point. That's
From the
right.
river.
So my job is to get these posts in here, and I'm going to show you how we do that in a minute. There goes the canoer. And I got to do the pacing, and I've got to pound these in there with a special tool. I'm going to show you in a minute, but here comes JC. This is his job. He's the clearer. You know, we're sweating all over the place out here, and JC's doing a good job. He's clearing the path. What happened?
Caught the electric wire that was laying on the ground.
Which is on at 20,000 volts.
Alright, Juan's going to show us how to set fence posts.
Oh, there's some plastic there. Didn't like that. There we go. That one's in. Nice. I like the sound of that one.
You just repeat that about 400 times.
600. Here goes the plastic again. And eventually, there's just going to be rocks that are going to be building up.
Fence master abs.
Perfect. That's how you do it.
That's a piece of cake.
What?
Birdhouse.
Let's see. What the hell looks... What? What is that?
It's a birdhouse gourd. Made into a birdhouse.
Let me see the hole for the birds. Oh, that's nice. Who made that?
That is.
Well, you are...
I just hung one up over there in the tree.
You know, aren't birds out here in the wild just going to make their own bird houses? I'm just curious.
Yeah, but...
The hell do you...
Given an opportunity, they will take it.
It's hard to believe. It's a little current of rock.
I know that.
Look at this.